Now let us consider the Mithya Yoga, that is anything done, any activity or any action which is not in a scientific way, that is known as Mithya Yoga. We can for example eating is okay, quantity is same, but the combination or the proportion may not be correct, or the preparation may not be correct, overcooked, or in the timings, scheduled timings. These are all there are all scientific methods for the each things, but when we are going beyond that scientific methods or scientific levels, that is known as Mithya Yoga. If you are coming to, for example, one sense organ which is very important, that is our eyes. If he is always seeing something or watching TV in lying position, then that is Mithya Yoga. Or watching this mobile works in dark room only, that is Mithya Yoga. Or looking at the sun with the naked eye in the unscientific way, that is also Mithya Yoga. Like that, which is unscientific in its action, that is known as Mithya Yoga. This can be considered in any part of our body. Hearing and too loud things, that is Adi Yoga, and hearing in sleeping time, making noise in the sleeping time, or too much listening too much small amplitude voices, or mixed combination of different volumes of different types of sounds together. These are all Mithya Yoga. Like that, if we think we can understand what is Mithya Yoga, what is Hina Yoga and Adi Yoga, from our daily activities we can identify that.